Hi, this is Dr. Rubenstein, and I am here on what has historically been known as the Approach, although it has been reconstructed and has been revitalized in the 90s. I'll show some photographs of that at another time, but let me turn it around here. Part of it right here, this goes down. This, what you see here, is known as Institute Avenue now, but at one time this was called Wall Alley, and probably because of that wall there. But this was at one time called Wall Alley. It's now called Institute Drive, or I should say Institute Avenue, not Drive, Institute Avenue. And the stairs go from there all the way up to 8th Street. And we'll get up there too. This must be part of the original construction here. And I'll show you some pictures, some old pictures of what this looked like as it once did. Now the Approach, let me give us a little history as we go up here, is a 163-step staircase, and it was completed in 1907. And the idea was to symbolically and physically connect RPI to the city of Troy. Now today, it's called the Louis Rubin Memorial Approach. It was rededicated in 1999. So I moved here just prior to it being worked on. Now, one of the things here says Rensselaer's first gymnasium and playhouse located near this site. The Institute first gymnasium opened in 1887. Contributions from students, trustees, alumni, and citizens of Troy financed more than half of its cost. Following the construction of the 87 gymnasium on the main campus in 1912, the building was used for various purposes until 1929, when it became a playhouse for the students' dramatic productions. The building was raised in 1966. So I'm not sure, but let's continue going up these stairs. 163 of them. And understand that this area looks much different than it once did. So as we go up here, now Louis Rubin was founder of the Troy News Company, chairman of the board of the Union National Bank, served as the board of directors of Samaritan Hospital, served on the board of directors of Samaritan Hospital, and he pushed for renovations of this place in 1992. He passed away, I think, in 99, and at least got to see it fixed. As you can see, it's used a great deal. Now here, we see a dedication, Louis Rubin Memorial Approach, Louis and Hortense Rubin Foundation, City of Troy, RPI. I'm not going to read all of that, but you can certainly pause and read it all. And then on this spot, it says 1824 to 1924. For 40 years stood the main building of Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. The structure was destroyed by fire in 1904. East of this place, extending from 8th Street to 15th Street, is the campus of the Institute. Acquired in 1904 and 1906. And it talks about how it was established by Stephen Van Rensselaer in 1824. And I'll let you read the rest of that. His father was the patroon and owned everything. A memorial for been a rensselaer who served in the First World War, and roll of honor for those who served in the Second World War. You can see some of the detail here. Some of this is original and some of it is not. The stairway itself, you'll see, was in quite a bit of disrepair. That's the city of Troy. Nice view. Then as we go up here, I'll put some maps up and things of that nature so you can see the streets, that sort of thing. And then this comes up to 8th Street. That is RPI's Impact. And then this is sort of the view from up here. So you're looking down Broadway, and as I said, at the bottom of the stairs is Institute Avenue, and then next to 7th, that's 6th, and 6th Avenue used to have the railroad come through, and the station was built down there. This has changed a lot. I'll show you some pictures, of course, as we look around. And that is RPI up there. So I hope you like the view, what you found out, the approach, and a little history of Troy. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's quite the thing, as you can tell. Please subscribe, ring the bell, tell others, and leave a comment. That's always nice to do. And so as I stand in front of Winslow, I think it's a dorm now, I'm not sure. I'll just say, I think it's a dorm. 8th Street, and that is RPI up there.